G'day again. I haven't been around for a couple of weeks, my apologies. Last week I had a pretty good excuse. We were away on our strategic planning conference, working out what we're going to do for the next year, the next 2 years, the next 5 years. It was deferred from May, so I was a little bit late and it was a little bit cramped, unfortunately. One of the most important things about a legal practice, and I suppose any business, is growth. If you don't grow, you stagnate and eventually you die. So growth to us is vitally important. Also, one of the most important parts about growth is bringing along the young lawyers that we've employed from an early age to come through and become associates, senior associates, and eventually partners. At that strategic planning conference, we always consider promotions at those levels. And I'm pleased to announce quite a number of promotions. As associates, we've promoted Carla Sechi in family law, Tom Hobson in family law, Rylie Hahn-Hamilton in criminal law, and Josef Ferraro in commercial law. Congratulations to all of you. As a senior associate, one of our Liverpool people, Kiara Cartisano, has been promoted. A well-deserved promotion. Congratulations to you too, Kiara. Importantly, we've brought 2 more partners to the table starting in July next year. They are Sharon Ramsden in criminal law and Bharath Balasubramanian in commercial litigation. It's very important to have young people come to the table for renewal and, as I said, for our growth. Congratulations to you two as well, and welcome to the table. Now, I don't want to get too political and I want to be very careful in what I say, but you've probably been reading about the triangle and the press attacks and some parliamentary attacks on the Perich family. Most people that would be listening to this would know that the Periches are very good clients of mine, but also, and very importantly, very good friends of mine. I can tell you that their integrity in the 50 years that I've known them is beyond question. In this transaction, and I know a bit about this transaction, in fact I know a lot about this transaction, their integrity and their honesty will be proved to be beyond question as well. I'll say no more. I want to touch, though, on the subject of our Premier Gladys Berejiklian. She made an unfortunate choice of partner. She admitted that she stuffed up, and yet the press won't leave her alone. This woman is a good Premier. Doesn't matter what your politics are, she's been a very good Premier and a very strong Premier during one of the worst years of this state's life, including the worst bushfires that we saw at the beginning of the year and now COVID-19. So far as her handling of COVID-19 is concerned, she is clearly far and away the best Premier in the whole of Australia. I say to the press, if there's something wrong, ICAC will find out. But in my opinion, I don't think there is anything wrong. So leave her alone. Let her get on with the job, a job that she does very bloody well.